Right, on another little mini project, I've got another boot lid here and I've started prepping it. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a recreation of my first Mini LWK 520P. So I've ordered a number plate for the back and I'm going to paint it Tahiti blue and it's going to go up on the wall. Right, so as you can see, I've started prepping this. Just done a little bit of sanding. There's a little nick out the corner, so I'll put a bit of filler in here. And there's another little nick down this corner. I'm going to put a bit of filler down there as well. And then I'll just give this a quick blow over with Tahiti blue, some Tahiti blue paint. And stick the number plate on, and then that can be another piece of wall art like my other bits that I've got up there. So, yeah, there we go. So, there we go. It's gonna have some colour on it in a minute, and then the 850 mini badge is gonna go back on, and then LWK 520P. So there we go. Right, so this is the number plate light housing, and this will go back onto the boot that I just sprayed, ready for the new number plate to go underneath it so that it can go up on the wall. I might actually put a Barkspeed sticker on it as well, just to add to the growing number of bits of wall art that I have in my workshop. Right, now on to fitting that onto the boot. You see me doing it, offering it up with the gasket and the screws, connecting it up, ready for it to go up on the wall. And then here you see me putting it up on the wall, minus the number plate because that hasn't come yet, but it will be here soon. Success! The number plate's here, down to the garage I go. And there we have it. Pride of place above the door. A tribute to my first car. And that badge, the 850 mini badge, is the original badge off of my car. And there we go. My first Mini.